There are many moving parts when running a successful job shop. Many tasks and decisions has to be executed from the customer places an order to high quality finished goods are leaving your facility. From Fusion Production's main page, you can quickly view your factory status in real time. You have access to all your workstations so you can see which are operating, idle, and either broken or down for maintenance. From here, you can easily drill down and see what jobs are currently running and which are coming next. From the Job Sheets tab, you can view if any jobs are paused, waiting in line, jobs are in progress, and finally which need the OK to be shipped. Opening a job sheet will give you real-time information into where that job is in process, quantity, due date, task completed, and much more. You know keeping an eye on the details and being able to quickly adapt are the recipe for success. All this can be accessed from any web browser or Android device. Simply scan a QR code on the shop floor and you have your 30,000 foot view. With the Schedule tab, you can quickly notify and reroute if any jobs becomes urgent or change the production schedule because a machine is down for maintenance. Because you're receiving real-time feedback from the shop floor, you're not waiting for a person to notify you. You can now identify bottlenecks and any unforeseen changes. View, react, and solve situations before they become a crisis.